another day, another ColourPop. Y'all, you guys already know what time it is. It is ColourPop's birthday mystery box unboxing. This retailed for $49. It has a $100 value with 10 full-size items, but let's find out, is it actually worth it? So grab a snack, besties, grab a drink, and let's go ahead and dive right on in. Alrighty guys, so you guys know that I have been buying ColourPop mystery boxes for so many years, to the point that anytime ColourPop has a mystery box, you guys are automatically tagging me in it going, bestie, you need to get this, and alas, I always pull through. This is ColourPop's 12th birthday mystery box. Now this actually does retail, like I said earlier, for $49. It's supposed to have a $100 value with 10 full-size items in here, and it says that it says create the perfect cosmic glam with this limited edition mystery box in celebration of her 12th birthday. We handpicked 10 full-size items worth $100 for endless astrological approved looks. Whether you're gifting it to yourself or for your bestie, this box is packed with goodies you may love. So the best thing about this, whenever I did buy this, is that I also got a free Super Shock Shadow in honor of ColourPop's birthday. So the last few ColourPop mystery boxes have been quite phenomenal. Every single item that I would add up always equaled a little bit over the value. So maybe, just maybe, ColourPop finally got rid of their, putting discounted items or items that they no longer have in these boxes. Maybe they're finally, they broke the curse and we finally are getting some good boxes. But I say that and then watch this video be shit. But we're gonna find out. I'm really excited. I love ColourPop mystery boxes. I was kind of hoping that since it's their 12th birthday, they would put some OG items in here that maybe we haven't seen in a long time, like kind of like a throwback. That'd be pretty iconic. But let's find out together what we got in here. Alrighty, I'm kind of excited. Okay. So the first thing we have is a pretty fresh blending sponge. I don't think I've ever seen a sponge inside this box before, nor from Pretty Fresh. So I thought this brand kind of low-key stopped existing because I never see ColourPop advertising them anymore. I know it was like their sister's, like, or was it Fourth Ray? I think it was Fourth Ray, right? It's like their sister's skincare stuff. Yeah, they had like a Fourth Ray beauty line. But I have not seen a sponge. Okay, so this might be a first. I don't know. Okay, so up next we have, this is the free birthday item that I got. This is the Super Shock Shadow in What's Your Sign? So this is the birthday one that I got for free for purchasing a ColourPop mystery box, or just ColourPop birthday celebration. So this is it right here. It's really, really pretty. I'm really excited to play with this. That's really pretty. So like I said, this was a free gift that was included with my purchase. Up next, we got the ColourPop Fresh Kiss. This is a peach mochi lip balm right here. We've definitely gotten quite a few lip balms in these mystery boxes. Luckily enough, from what I'm noticing, each time I'm getting these, I keep getting different flavors, which is really nice. But we do have a little peach one right here. I've not seen this one before, so this one's kind of exciting to see. Up next, we got a cream gel liner. This is going to be in the shade called Amethyst Hour. Wow. Normally we've been getting like a black eyeliner. We're getting something a little different. ColourPop is treating us to something a little different. Wait. Ooh. This is a pretty lavender one. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. You guys know that my eyeliner collection consists of mostly just the ColourPop gel liners. I think they're absolutely fantastic. So for me, this is really exciting. Okay, so up next, we got another Super Shock Shadow. So this one we have the shade called Tankini. Whoa, I haven't seen this one before. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's like a bright little yellow one. I've never seen this one in here before. This is definitely new to me. Probably not a new item, but definitely new in here. That is really, really, really pretty. Okay, so up next we got a lippy stick. This is gonna be the shade called Ziggy. Definitely have seen a product like this before. Maybe not the shade, but definitely have seen this in here. Oh, this one's kind of pretty. Like, look at that. Okay. And the color is gonna... Well, what the hell happened there? You see that? Did somebody eat it? No, probably just got warped during transit because it's so hot out. But that's a first for me that I've ever seen like a ColourPop like lipstick look a little funny coming out of here. But I'm sure it's okay. I'm not gonna be worried about that. Okay, so up next we have a ColourPop Cloud Whip. This is gonna be a blurring lipstick in the shade called In a Haze. I feel like we've seen this exact shade before, but I could be wrong. So this is how it looks. Very pretty color, very neutral color too. Definitely more on the pale nudie side. But that's exciting. That's really exciting. Now, I was kind of hoping, it says that this box is kind of curated around astrological signs. Am I crazy? Isn't that what that said? Handpicked for endless astrological approved looks. Maybe we have different ideas of what astrological means, but... Okay, so up next, we have a ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil. This is in the shade called Bangle. All right, let's see what this one is like. And it's pretty clear. It's just like tiny, tiny tint of color. Okay. Okay. Okay, so up next we have a liquid blush. This is in the shade called Peach Perfect. I was kind of hoping to get like the blush sticks. It's been kind of going viral on TikTok right now because Shelby Ann has been talking about it and how it's like a perfect dupe to the House Labs glossy lip balm. She said it's a perfect dupe. So I was kind of hoping that maybe it'd be in here, but doesn't seem like it is. So this is going to be this is definitely a shimmer blush. I could tell just by the packaging alone. But it does look really pretty. Like that looks really pretty. Like nice little shimmery peach blush moment, which I think I've given away all of my liquid blushes from ColourPop because usually I get like these bright pink colors. So it's kind of nice to get something a little bit more toned down, something a little bit more wearable for me. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so up next we got a Fresh Kiss. This is the pistachio gelato. Ooh, this is definitely a new flavor that they recently launched. It smells like vanilla. Is that what pistachio is supposed to smell like? It smells like vanilla with like a little mango hint. I don't know. Very interesting scent. I don't really smell like a nutty flavor. Am I supposed to? I don't really know. Okay, then last but not least, we have a palette. Oh, this is the third time this has been in this box this year alone. That's a little disappointing. Okay, so in here we have Blush Baby right here. Now, if you guys have seen any of my mystery box unboxings, you guys would have seen this already in here. This is now the third time I've opened up this particular palette in a mystery box this year. It's pretty, but dang, I was kind of hoping for a variety. Like, if this is a 12th birthday, like, wouldn't it have been really cool for them to kind of like do like a really like an OG palette, or maybe like one of their bigger ones in here? Like that would make more sense. Like their bigger 20 pan palette or something like that, whatever ones they have, like a throwback. This is something that they keep putting in here. That is definitely disappointing. Dang. They were on such a roll. Oh gosh. Okay. They were on such a roll. I would love to see like one of their Stone Cold palettes being in here, or like the metals, precious metals, something like a big pan palette being in here, or like maybe one of their old OG like classic palettes that they launched years ago. Like not the same thing. They keep putting the same thing in here. That is a little disappointing. Okay, so then let me go ahead and add up the items in here. I will say this box definitely contained way too many lip products compared to previous ones. I mean, I will say this box definitely was very heavily focused on lip products. So normally I don't mind because I love good lip products. But like, I also like variety. I like it when they would add highlighters or powder blushes or, you know, mascaras, or I don't know, something just a little bit different. This was very heavily focused on lips. Not feeling it. I didn't just look up these items and see what the retail price ends up being. So I added up the price. Okay, so I added up the price of all 10 items and it only retail value for $95. Like literally there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items with the retail value of $95. Not 100 ColourPop, not 100. None of the items were on sale, so they're all fully priced, but the value of this actually equaled $95. Now, here's the thing. Normally, I love the ColourPop mystery boxes, and you know what? At the end of the day, spending $49 to get 10 full-size items are always going to be worth it, in my opinion. Like, you definitely do get your money's worth, but I will say this box is pretty disappointing because I had 5 lip products, and then I had 3 eye products, 1 cheek, and then I had 1 sponge right here. Now, normally I don't mind, but but for today, I just kind of wanted a variety. The seeing as how this was their 12th, and seeing as how this was their 12th birthday, they said this was like an astrological look. I don't see that with this. Like, they could have done something so much more. They could have done something really cool with this to celebrate their 12th birthday. Yeah, I got a cool free gift, but I just wanted more. I just wanted more from the 12th birthday. I wanted them to bring back some of their OG staples that really put them on the map. You know, they could have put their lip liners in here, some of their OG classic palettes, some of their Jelly Much shadows, or their Super Shock highlighters, or more Super Shock shadows, like things that people used to love and rave about when it came to ColourPop. And I feel like they kind of definitely dropped the ball on this one. Oh no. But I will say it's worth $49, but this one was definitely disappointing for me. So at the end of the day, this is why I do this, because I waste my money than you waste yours. But if you guys like this box, maybe you guys might get something different. I will have a link down below, but don't ever feel obligated to get it just because I got it. I don't know if every box is the same. I really don't know, but I would have to say that they very well could be, and if that's the case, you might want to pass on this one. So let me know down your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts down below if you guys think this box is worth it. But with that said, besties, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you is going to go to these beautiful, wonderful page numbers you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, besties, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.